Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how to easily format and publish your Matlab projects. So when you open Matlab, I want you to go ahead and click on New Script. Now when you do your Matlab project, you want to save it in a script file. So here I'll just write our class. This is going to be the test assignment. Write your name and your group members, if you have group members. Okay. And you'll just save this, save, and I'm going to call it here test project. .m.
Yes, please do.
So then the first thing you want to do is you want to kind of organize all your different problems. So you create a section by doing a double percent sign and then a space, and then whatever you want to call that section, so problem one. And then when you want to output something, say a vector 1, 2, you want to leave off the semicolon so it appears as an output. So that's one way to do it. Fancier way could be to use display. So say I have the identity matrix, 3 by 3 identity matrix. I could also write display A, and that will display A. Or you can even use display to write things. So A is equal like that. The only thing I would be careful with is if you're supposed to be, if you want to put the answer, is you don't want to suppress your output with a semicolon if that's the answer. So say this is the project, we finished it, and now we want to publish it. So the next step would be to publish. So after you go ahead and save your project, you scroll over and you click publish. And then you click here, publish. And it comes up as the test project shown here. And you can see the ones where I didn't use a semicolon, it printed the output, and in the display, it kind of prints it. With this, it prints it nicely. But for the problem 3, because of the semicolon, I can't see what's being done there. So this test project will appear in this path. So if you go to that path and you click on that, it'll pop up in your browser. From here, you can go to File, Print, and save as a PDF. So that'll be like one of the print options. So you save as a PDF. And that'll be a format you can submit to ELMS.